Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with my first wig again. It's the same packaging as before. All right, let's get into what we got today. First thing I'm seeing is the wig as usual, but let's see what the goodies are. This is the little information card with the specification of the wig. Got a rat tail comb, a storage bag, and this is the wig for the day. It is perfect for the summer because this is a 8-inch pixie cut curly bob. All right, it's completely glueless. It has a drawstring. It has adjustable straps. As you see right here, even has combs on the inside, and the lace portion is pre-bleached, also pre-plucked, and I'm showing you the drawstring there. Nothing beats this kind of wig for the summer. Super lightweight, very easy for a beginner to install. Look at that lace though, like it looks so much like scalp. I was just cutting away just a tiny bit of the lace that didn't have any hair on it, and I didn't really want it to cast like a shadow, so I just went ahead and took my time and carefully cut that away. So I didn't cut any of the hair, but the construction of this wig is immaculate. All right, I went ahead and I took some melting spray just for the sides to have those laid. You could also use lace tape for an alternative, but that's all I did. I didn't apply anything to the rest of the lace, and this is very easy to work with. After spraying that on, I pretty much just went in with my elastic band to, well, my melting band to tie everything down so it will be laid.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you deep.
I then went on to the back portion to adjust the drawstring. Super easy, very to the point. Anybody can do this, guys. You do not need to go to the salon to install a wig like this. This is going to be perfect for those very hot summer days that you do not want to have any product really on your head, but you still want to look cute. You want to slip on a wig and go and not feel bothered and like you're doing too much or feel uncomfortable. This wig is so lightweight. I absolutely love it. And I was going through the front there just showing you how realistic that lace looks. Again, you could even switch up the parting if you please. After this, I pretty much just went through the entire wig with some water, only water. If you want to use like any, mousse to like let the curls look like they're wet for a prolonged period, then you could do that, but I still wanted that fluff, so I went in with water as you see me doing here, and super easy.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
And that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. Listen, I went ahead and listed the link to this wig in my description box. If you want to go ahead and get this for yourself, that's where you can find it. All the specifications are also listed. This is gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Barely any shedding, by the way, and it didn't come in with any weird smells. My First Wig is definitely one of those companies that you get top tier quality wigs from. Okay, so yeah, as I said, all the information is down below. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.